Good afternoon, Warriors. Today's Tuesday, the 4th of December, 2018. Taking a look at homework for this evening. In regular math, there is no homework. First period, you were assigned homework, but after we got through some other classes, we decided to cancel it. So the assignment that you were given, 8.1, hang on to that, and you will do that later. Honors math, you've got lesson 8.2 this evening. Also in math, your Christmas ad extra credit opportunity is due December 10th. Remember, you can earn up to 5 points, half a point each for each ad that you bring in. In science, there is no homework this evening. In social studies, you need to finish your key term slideshow and also study for our quiz tomorrow. In language arts, on your persuasion map that we've printed off from the Read, Write, Think website, you need to add 16 transitions and 3 concluding sentences to your map. In literature, we have our character cube activity that is due tomorrow, and our plot packet is due Friday. Also, please make sure that we are reading AR. And last but not least, we have been extended, our Soldier's Holiday Package items has been extended to tomorrow, Wednesday, the 5th of December. That's it for today. Make it a good one.